Okay, so hopefully you've downloaded and printed off the conversation worksheet found on today's date on the Canvas calendar. And the first part is a listening activity, and then the second part is a written activity. And I will have an assignment on Canvas for the written portion, so you can do this listening portion on your paper and then enter it into the Canvas assignment. Number 1, or part 1, time of the day. For many of these phrases, you need to pay attention to the time of the day. Mark an M, capital M, for something. If I say it, it would be appropriate to be said in the morning, an A for afternoon, E for evening, and the word any if you can say it any time. Number 1, hola, hola. Number 2, ¿cómo está? ¿Cómo está? Number 3, buenas noches, buenas noches. Number 4, hasta mañana, hasta mañana. Number 5, buenas tardes, buenas tardes. Again, just write M, A, E, or any for those 5 Spanish phrases or questions. Part 2, formal or informal. In Spanish, they have a formal version of things relating to usted and an informal version of things related to tú. Put an F, capital F, if what I say is a formal phrase or question. Put an INF for a phrase or question that I say that is informal. Number 1, ¿cómo estás tú? ¿Cómo estás tú? Number 2, ¿cómo se llama? ¿Cómo se llama? Number 3, buenos días. Buenos días. Number 4, ¿cómo está usted? ¿Cómo está usted? Number 5, ¿cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? And number 6, hola, hola. All right, part 3, greetings or saludos and goodbyes or despedidas. Put a capital S if what I say is a greeting. Put a capital D if what I say is a goodbye. Number 1, buenos días, buenos días. Number 2, hasta la vista, hasta la vista. Number 3, hola, hola. Number 4, buenas tardes, buenas tardes. Number 5, hasta mañana, hasta mañana. Number 6, hasta luego, hasta luego. Number 7, buenas noches, buenas noches. And number 10, adios, adios. Now take your answers and enter them into the online Canvas version of this assignment.